Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we'll be again going to start with the OC, but with the second chapter of OC, that is functions of management. After having done with the first chapter, that is principles of management, correct? Where we have seen the 14 principles laid down by the Henry Fayol, where we have seen the F.W. Taylor's scientific principles of management and the techniques which are going to help us to implement those scientific principles in an efficient and effective way, correct? Today we'll be learning the functions of management. Now, in each and every kind of organization, correct? Each and every kind of activity which has been undertaken with a motive to achieve the organizational goal. Each and every kind of activity which have been undertaken to achieve the organizational goal in the organization is the management. That is something so far we have studied. अभी तक हमने ये देखा है कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में परफॉर्म की जाने वाली हर वो एक्टिविटी जिसका एंड जो होता है वो टुवर्ड्स अकम्प्लिशिंग द ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल, वो क्या होती है? मैनेजमेंट होती है. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू इलैबोरेट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट फर्दर. So in order to implement this particular activity, वो activity जिसको implement हम करते हैं in order to achieve the organizational goal. So in order to implement these activities in a profitable manner, correct? We need to adhere to the scientific principles of management. We need to adhere to the principles of management given by the Henry Fayol. We also need to adhere to the techniques of management given by F.W. Taylor, correct? So all these scientific principles of management, 14 principles, techniques, ठीक है, all they are going to relate with the various functions of management. So that's why here today we'll be starting with the functions of management, and that's why we are studying the functions of management, because all those principles, when you're going to implement it, you're going to find out that in some or other way you are using the functions of management, correct? Which will going to help you out to achieve your objectives in an efficient manner. So in order to implement every activity in a profitable manner, we need to adhere to the principles of management, scientific principles of management, sometimes to the techniques which relate to the various functions of management. So these functions of management are very useful and helpful in achieving the organizational overall goals and objectives. They are going to help you out in a way, we can say that they are going to provide you the smoother and a better way. They are going to provide you the better understanding regarding the organizational activity, with the help of which you will be going to achieve the goals in a effective manner. These principles helps to plan and guide. These functions of management helps to plan and guide the people and the organization in a business. ये individual people मतलब हमारे human resource को भी guide करता है. Along with that, it also guides the organization. Overall organization को भी क्या करते हैं? ये functions guide करते हैं. All the functions of management are interrelated, interconnected with one another. सारे functions क्या करते हैं? एक दूसरे को connect करते हैं. So you cannot implement a single function in an isolation with the another one. आप सोचो कि मैं सिर्फ प्लानिंग को अध्ययन करूंगा और मैं कंट्रोलिंग या स्टाफिंग पे ध्यान ही नहीं देने वाला हूँ, उसकी जरूरत नहीं, तो ऐसा नहीं है. All these functions are interrelated with each other. So आप आइसोलेशन में किसी एक प्रिंसिपल को इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर सकते. So that's why they are inseparable in nature. आप उनको सेपरेट करके इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे अगर, तो आपको बेटर इफेक्टिव रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. They all are the interrelated. They are inseparable in nature. They are concerned with the all levels of management. Either it would be the top level of management, lower level of management, or the middle level of management. हर जगह इन functions की क्या पड़ती है? जरूरत पड़ती है. So they are concerned with all levels of management. Planning lower level भी करता है, upper level भी करता है, middle level भी करता है. करेक्ट है. प्लान को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए रिसोर्सेज को ऑर्गेनाइज करने का काम भी तीनों करते हैं. करेक्ट है. सो functions of management are something which are concerned with all the levels of management. Now let us understand the functions of management in a much easier way with the help of few definitions given by the different writers. Correct? So we will be starting with the first definition, which has been given by Mr. L.
Okay.
So the first definition in regards to the functions of management has been given by Mr. L.A. Allen. Now, according to him, management is, the functions of management are something which manager does in the organization. So each and every activity which a manager performs in an organization, he adheres to the functions of management. So जो भी काम हमारा मैनेजर करता है, करेक्ट है, वो क्या है, मैनेजमेंट है, अकॉर्डिंग टू मिस्टर एलन. Where to some extent he is right also, because this particular definition explains that each and every activity which managers do in the organization is management. And when we talk about the manager's activity, the manager's activity starts with the planning. Manager सबसे पहले क्या करता है, planning करता है, what he has to achieve into the organization, why he is there into the organization. प्लानिंग करता है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दी प्लानिंग रिसोर्सेज ऑर्गेनाइज करता है, वेदर वुड बी दी फिजिकल रिसोर्सेज और दी ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज, करेक्ट है, जहाँ पे आप लैंड, लेबर, मशीनरीज की बात करते हैं या कैपिटल की बात करते हैं. रिसोर्सेज को ऑर्गेनाइज करता है, अंडर वन रूफ लाता है, राइट पर्सन को राइट जॉब इम्प्लीमेंट करता है, करेक्ट है. सो मैनेजर की एक्टिविटी ही स्टार्ट होती है विद द प्लानिंग एंड इट कम्स टू एन एंड विद कंट्रोलिंग for that particular part of job. So किसी एक एक्टिविटी को सक्सेसफुल मैनर में इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए, उसे पॉजिटिव आउटकम्स अचीव करने के लिए मैनेजर अपनी एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट करता है विद द प्लानिंग, और वो एक्टिविटी फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट ऑफ जॉब एंड होती है द कंट्रोलिंग. तो यहाँ पे सारे फंक्शंस तो आ गए, सारे फंक्शंस आ गए, प्लानिंग आ गई, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग आ गई, डायरेक्टिंग आ गया, कंट्रोलिंग आ गया, ठीक है. वी हैव कवर्ड ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द फंक्शंस. So according to Allen, each and every activity which a manager performs in an organization is management, because at the time of performing the activity, he will definitely going to adhere to the functions of management. Correct? Now let us jump to the second definition, which is given by Mr. Henry Fayol. Henry Baba की जय, Henry Baba फिर से आ गए. करेक्ट है. Henry Fayol का 14 प्रिंसिपल्स किया था ना, यूनिटी ऑफ कमांड, यूनिटी ऑफ डायरेक्शन, स्कलार चेन, गैंग प्लान था उसमें, याद आ रहा है. So according to Henry Fayol, what is functions of management? What they do? Correct? So according to Fayol, business starts with forecasting. Business start होता है forecasting से. Manager does the accurate forecasting, and based on that forecasting, manager organizes the resources. Correct? Accordingly, he organizes the resources and pass them the direction. वो रिसोर्सेज जिसको उसने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है उनको वो क्या करता है, डायरेक्शंस पास ऑन करता है, कमांड पास ऑन करता है, ऑर्डर्स पास ऑन करता है, जस्ट इन ऑर्डर टू अचीव द ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल ओवरऑल गोल्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव. जस्ट इन ऑर्डर टू अचीव द ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल ओवरऑल गोल्स एंड एक्टिविटी. सो Fayol says that business starts with accurate planning, ठीक है, accurate forecasting. Fayol says, or Fayol believed that business starts with accurate forecasting. Based on the forecasting, a manager does the planning, correct है, proper planning करता है, and accordingly he organize the resources and pass them on the command, and also if needed control their activities in order to achieve the organizational goals and objectives for the long term, in a longer period of time. So according to Henry Fayol, to manage is to forecasting करना. Based on the forecasting, do the accurate planning. According to the planning, organize the resources. Once the resources are organized, pass them on the directions and the command. And if needed, control the activities too. According to Fayol, that is the functions of management. वही है ना functions of management, planning, organizing, directing, controlling, correct है? Now moving towards the third definition, it is not a definition, we can say that it is a kind of acronym, correct है, जो Luther Glick ने क्या किया है, functions of management को दिया है. According to Luther Glick, ठीक है, उन्होंने functions of management को जो acronym दिया है, that is POSTCROP. P stands for planning, O stands for organizing, S stands for staffing, D for directing, Co for coordinating, R for reporting, and B for budgeting. So basically, Luther Glick has given us the acronym for the functions of management. Now this acronym he has first published for an administrative management, correct, which was first coined in a paper on administrative management, which was written for the Brownlow Committee, by Mr. Luther Glick in the year 1973. That means Mr. Luther Glick ने for the first time ये Potsdam को introduce किया था to the world administrative management की help से in the paper जिसका नाम था ब्राउनलो कमिटी, करेक्ट है, जो कौन से ईयर में पब्लिश हुआ था, इन द ईयर 1937. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू ग्लिक दिस फंक्शंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट जिनकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, प्लानिंग, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, स्टाफिंग, डायरेक्टिंग, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग, रिपोर्टिंग एंड बजटिंग, करेक्ट है, दिस फंक्शंस ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ सिस्टमैटिक फ्रेमवर्क. It can be used as a systematic framework for efficiently executing these functions of management. Potsdam can be used as a systematic framework for executing the business processes or the plannings of the business or the activities of a business in a company or by an individual. Whether you're running a sole trading concern or you're running a large joint stock company which gives you crores and crores of turnover every year. No matter what the size of the business you're dealing with, अगर आप Potsdam को implement करते हो तो it will going to help you out to achieve the positive results in a best positive time, correct है. It will going to help you out to efficiently implementing the particular plans and policies जो आपने अपने business के लिए क्या की है, plan की है. अब business चाहे large scale business हो, चाहे small scale business हो, चाहे sole trading concern हो, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. So afterwards, after a certain point of time, research, reporting and budgeting R&B are merged in the function called as controlling. R&B, reporting and budgeting, has been merged into the function called as controlling, correct है. So in the further particular lectures we are going to elaborate and see in depth each and every function of management. Functions of management के बारे में एक बात और आपको बता देते हैं, ठीक है, which we have seen earlier also, that is first जो 4 functions of management थे, ठीक है, जो first 4 functions of management थे, it has been given by whom? This particular answer you guys are going to give to me into the next video lecture कि पहले 4 functions of management हमको किसने दिए थे. I have been discussed it into the earlier lectures. Go through with the lectures again and find it out. Thank you.